Hi sir, thank you for everything. See you soon and good luck!
Hi sir, Rene Asarian Yoleja. Thank you sa pagtudlo sa mga sa adlaw-adlaw katanan kag nami kani magtudlo. Good luck sa next journey sir. Advance Happy New Year kag Merry Christmas.
Thank you for teaching us and thank you sa malabong nga pasensya. I hope to see you soon again.
Hi Sir Rene, thank you for teaching us and good luck sa next journey mo. Along
Sir Rene, thank you for teaching to us, sir, and also the way on how you teach us is so very beautiful and also it is easy for us to understand. And good luck sa next journey mo, sir. Galingan mo lang palagi. Thank you, sir.
Hey, what's up, sir? Hi, ako gali si Darren. Kilala mo man ko ah. Ang buang-buang sa kwarto, katani. Ang treasurer nga pero may gapanukot. Okay. I want to say something crazy. You love crazy like that. Joke lang. Thank you, sir, for the sunshine. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa pagtudlo mo. Kasi dungol-dungol kami. Pero sa tuway, di mo gapangakig. Ano? Sa tuway, di mo gapangakig. Joke lang. Ano, hambal ko man? May ko hambal bala. Basta sir, good luck sa journey mo. Dapat ma-success mo dun bilang teacher ka. Kag stay humble, stay jolly. Kag Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye sir, good luck to your journey.